you make me a cookie? Are you going to eat it?
Mama, could you please help me get this plate?
Not for real. Yucky. Just pretend.
Mama, look at my cookie. Would you like to try a little bit?
It's an awesome cookie, Rebecca.
Would you like to try some? Mama, the triplets eat kids.
Thank you. It's yummy.
Mama, do triplets eat kids?
No, do you know what a triplet is?
What?
It's 3 of something. So it could be three people or 3 babies or 3 bicycles or that are all look the same.
I need this. Oh look, I made a tunnel.
You made a tunnel.
Yeah. Straight shouldn't do it, but only straight swings can go.
Whoa.
I just broke it. Rebecca, you're working very hard on that thing. Mama, take a picture. After I'm done, take a picture of mine and see how long my pizza is. Now take a picture of my cookies.
Beautiful cookies.
The shaped cookies. One is shaped like a heart, one is shaped like a triplet, and one is shaped like a heart.
Oh.